Welcome to 115 Marlbrook Drive in Harvest, Alabama. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with many custom upgrades. Some of those upgrades include things like the vaulted ceiling in the living room, gas fireplace with shiplap surround. Open kitchen features a large island and a gas cooktop, open shelving at the coffee bar, as well as a large pantry. The laundry has extra cabinets and a laundry sink. There's a lovely drop zone at the garage entry. There's 2 bedrooms that share a large secondary bath and a half bath for guests. There's extra room for your office space. The primary bedroom features hardwood floors, a tray ceiling, and a large bath with a standalone tub, tile shower, and 2 walk-in closets. Outside the home, you'll have a perfect area for entertaining with a nice covered porch and a fenced large backyard. The 2-car garage features workbenches and cabinets as well as a 240-volt plug. Check in the comments in the link below to view this listing near Huntsville, Alabama, and give us a call for more information.